One of the first questions that almost any client asks when they come in with a personal injury claim, a wrongful death claim, where they've lost a loved one as a result of someone else's bad conduct or negligence, is how much does it cost to pursue a wrongful death claim here in Mississippi? And the answer is, if you come to a firm such as ours, or really any true trial lawyer firm that works on a contingency basis, the answer for you should be zero. And that is because we trial lawyers who represent people on wrongful death cases, and really any personal injury claim, typically work on what's called a contingency fee basis. And that means we don't get paid unless we recover for you. What do you get in that type of arrangement? Well, what you get is the legal representation that you need to pursue your wrongful death claim, but you do not have to put any money up front. The law firm takes on the case, works the case on the chance or the risk, the chance that we're going to recover, which means we're going to screen your case and look at it and have faith in your case and work hard to recover, but working on the risk that if we don't recover, that's our loss. You don't have to pay anything for that. A trial firm who works on a contingency fee basis also fronts the cost of pursuing that case. So the cost of hiring the experts, the cost of getting depositions, the cost of paying for copies and mail and court costs and filing fees, all of that, the trial lawyer firm will front that. And so be very wary or very careful about firms that want to get paid on a contingency fee, but who will not commit to fronting the expenses to pursue your claim, or who want you to cover the expenses, but then pay them a percentage of the proceeds at the end. That's just not typically how firms work. It's not how our firm works. The beauty of the contingency fee system is that people who have lost a loved one in a wrongful death case or situation, oftentimes they've lost the breadwinner. They've lost the person who's bringing income into their household. It's almost always an economic hit. It's certainly an emotional time. And so spending money is just not always an option. Oftentimes it is a bar to being able to pursue their claim and get justice. And so this system allows where the victim does not have to expend those funds. The victim does not have to lay any money out in pursuing their claim. And if for some reason the claim falls through and there's no recovery, that victim doesn't have a lot of money tied up in it, and they're not suffering an additional loss on top of the loss that they already had. The trial lawyer and the trial lawyer's firm takes on that risk, fronts those expenses just with an understanding of being compensated on the back end, of being reimbursed those expenses and getting a percentage of the recovery. So it does not cost you anything out of pocket to pursue your wrongful death claim here in Mississippi if you go to an experienced firm, knowledgeable in handling these cases, and who works on a contingency fee basis. I hope these answers are helpful to you. We're available at Brad Morris Law Firm to answer any other questions that you have, and we're always available to consult with you on your wrongful death or personal injury case at no charge. Thank you.